My son found him at 9. I'm in that prison. Him right me. Him I'm a third child. And him say, Mommy, you need to stop thief. We'll take care of you. No. My baby father did it. My mother did it. My 4 pretty them did it. My 2 grandpitty them did it. My husband did it. Plus other people. No. When do we give me the 2 coke in my head and my ball out and them run out? I'm going to say, none of that. And you come back, Chin. Come with your silver blood, Chin. Come create all of this. You started this. You should have been a man. I said, dog, I'm married one, my married man business, but yeah, I'm a friend. Cool, you come and justify. When remember me said to you, Chin, why you come to my yard? Remember me ask you, remember good not Chin, man. Chin, Miss Chin. Miss Chung Lang, Chung. Chin, I ask you at the same time. Mr. Chin, come here, me talk to you. Why you come move on my husband out of my yard? Because you want to mash up the life, Chin. You want to stay at Jamaica and thief gun like you. Do we grow to that? At 13 years ago, this Chin. Do we afraid of you afraid to tell us I'm afraid of you dirty blood? Come, all you want to do are premeditate people. And do a pass do a premeditate life and gal. Him now want your insanity. Where you sit down and you set up for life, Chin. Chin, you can't chat to me. Chin, you have no life. When you're married, you can't laugh. You're not married. You understand me? No girl not married. You're hungry and broke. Girl don't want nothing and they let them have money. That's how Jamaican girl are. And money I love for them. Money turn. I don't lie, me I tell. And go we girl with that father work hard. I'm too little Jamaica top girl with down there. Now busy about man and them. When you're a girl them that you'll buy your head them. You burn your minutes. What's that Jamaica family in England? That's where? I when me now weird because I'm married. The worst but I'm my marriage. I may have defend it dirty blood. I feel me dirty disgraceful marriage. Where? Thank God the day the man married to me. That's true. And that I see this far about everything. I wanted to get married. That's one of my wish. Do you give me my wish? You make one of my wish come true and I'm a dream. That's why I'm not give up on it for easily. We still did that try to, but no. You understand? Chin too enough, man. Him for you make quotes and a laugh. Laugh now! All who laugh, best Chin. You can't laugh after husband and wife. You either can right now I can't go in the room, go bump it from my and shame on the dirty prove nothing to him. I mean I prove nothing to him. And my husband dirty Chin. Back up! Back up, Chin. Back him man bad. Move your dirty. Back up your mind I wish be. But which one of them you want to be? Bad man be, or you want to be a bad man be? You can't chat to me. You can't laugh after me. At 2 years, I'm married, brother. Some people married 2 years. My last, you hear that Chin? Chin, I never know me I can reach a 2 year. Why you think me so relaxed now? May I ask you, Chin? Why you think me so relaxed now and easy? Because I never know. I said the 2 years I do, I give gratitude. Come on, him. Apart from my defend that Chin. Leave the man on him Starbucks cup. Bad minded. If you not trouble, you can't get a Starbucks cup. No, my love. Why? See cup here? I saw listen people attack and get up the people at throw with powder. See my Starbucks cup here and do get the iron cup. Every time I put the ice in it, I hear the iron. I go so blum 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 blum. I say do it. Give me back my cup. I want a cup there. And me and do most about the cup and him come live and talk about him cup. I used to I catch feelings. Feelings! When you catch that feelings, cause you want my Dewey, and Dewey don't want me, but you want me, but it's my husband, I'll let me not have move on the cover my husband from the crown and head to the soul and feet. I'm a pray God make him see the light. Chin! Chop. I tell that chin now. Yeah. But I want to you know, any black I want Queen in eye deck, no matter how you suffer. That's the God. That's the God Almighty truth. One Queen in the deck, no matter how you suffer. Chin low prosper, Chin. The man I live life. Chin. The man proposal I put to him. I tell him for Chin. Chin. Remember I tell you say take Queen the money, share all the man. Chin, me ear tell that you don't believe me. You talk about you don't like me. Chin. But I'm sorry if you like me, I make mistake. Chin, remember you tell Dewey say if you take the all the man money, Chin, me say all I message them. You tell Dewey if you take the all the man money and Dewey say my God me not depend them things there, you know. I say auntie, you're fool. Use our mix to buy one for the argument. So don't draw me. I should have screenshot them. Because if I screenshot them out, I do a phone. But you not time for no evidence. I mean, I have no time for no baggage, you know. And when I remember anything, I just talk it. Chin, calm down. Queenie. Chin, remember you told my husband to take the old man money and buy a gun and do the same down. Depend them things there. What the you sit down and I'm going to tell my husband to take my money to buy. Then that's why you buckle me, Sachin. That's why you buckle me, you know. That's why you can't laugh now, because you never.
Oh, God. Oh, God have mercy. Oh, God, people, last night when I run a party and I say, no, just make a thing. And so I go on, is it? Yo, I say, last week the people in there. Last week the people in the live, yo, I say, yo, we can't buy Starbucks. Last week, for day every day, the man throw some look at 1 star. I watch it. Barbados. Yo. Hey, me know what sweet me. You know, so I go on. It's circus. Oh, God. Oh, God have mercy. Oh, God, people, last night when I run a party and I say, no, just make a thing. And so I go on, is it?
Remember me the parallel I said, do you